What's up guys, it's Wubny here. In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question of whether you should sell an item on eBay or flip it locally on Facebook, offer up or let go. So when it comes to me choosing whether I sell it on eBay or Facebook, there's two things I take into consideration. The first one being the shipping. So for example, on Facebook, I've sold furniture like tables, couches, futons. I've also sold bicycles, I've sold car tires, I've sold a bunch of things. And you don't want to ship a bicycle, you don't want to ship a set of 4 tires. That's going to be really heavy and it's going to be like $80 to $100 to ship. While also being really heavy to take to the post office, and you'll probably have to ship through FedEx, which me personally, FedEx is way out the way to my post office. So I'd rather just make one trip to the USPS post office instead of going all the way across town to FedEx to make an extra $10, $15. The second thing I take into consideration is the likelihood of scammers. So for example, 95% of the video game systems I sell on Facebook. I typically can get same day to next day sales all in hand cash. So I could probably make an extra $10, $15 on eBay, but I also have to worry about the stress of shipping the item, making sure it's not damaged, scammers, and it's just more of a convenience if I just throw it on Facebook. On Facebook, I tend to do cash only. It keeps it off the record and it keeps me having to worry about fees. So on eBay, you have eBay fees, PayPal fees, shipping costs, and all that. Facebook, I don't mind giving up $10, $15 extra dollars just to do same day in hand cash. So that's me personally. I'll go into it a little bit more. So when I say gaming consoles and gaming bundles, I mean my PS3 with a controller and 6 games I'll throw on Facebook rather than eBay. Because what if one of those games don't work on eBay? Then boom, then you have to give them a partial refund. They can completely return the item and you can basically get screwed. Whereas if you do it on Facebook, when you sell it, firstly, you meet them in person, so you kind of get a feel of the kind of person they are. And secondly, you can kind of resolve the issue out of the corporation side. So you can kind of go to like a man-to-man, woman-to-woman kind of agreement instead of having to go through the terms of service and everything. I'm going to go ahead and re-go through the examples I gave you. So on Facebook, I'll sell game bundles, like car tires, anything big and heavy, or anything awkward like a table or a bicycle. Whereas on eBay, I sell everything else, ranging from 12-pound boxes to 2-ounce packages. It really depends, but for the majority of everything, I go on eBay. It's a proof of income once you have a business license and your taxes and everything. Facebook's just kind of a side thing you can do off the record to make some quick cash to reinvest into eBay. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Keep flipping.